the book.
You love the
Book.
Okay. Here we go. Mhm.
What is that?
What is that? Is that a porcupine?
What is that?
What is that?
A snake.
A snake. It is a snake.
I want it.
It is a long snake.
I want it.
Mhm.
I want it.
There is another snake.
There.
Mhm.
That's a bee.
Mhm.
Think.
Yeah. Here you go. Be careful, okay? Okay. You don't want to skip the pages?
Baby penguin.
And it is a baby penguin. Good job.
What is that?
What is that? Is that a porcupine?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say porcupine?
Porcupine.
Good job, Elena. Oh, you went all the way to the end. Are you done? All right. Did you like that book?
Now here's that.
What is that? Can you tell me what that is?
Alligator.
It is an alligator.
Now here's that.
What is that?
A bunny.
A bunny.
I want to play a read book.
Yeah, the bunny does read books.
I want to read book.
Yeah, a bird. Okay, baby. Can you say good night? Say good night.